Now the 11th question is, state whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. Now the first question is, the value of tan A is always less than 1. This is false statement. Reason, now this is right angle triangle. We are talking about this angle A. So this is base, this is perpendicular, and this is hypotenuse. So here BC is 3 and AB is 4. Hypotenuse is 5. So in this case, tan A is 3 by 4, which is less than 1. If these values are given, then tan A is less than 1. But if this line is 4 and this line is 3, hypotenuse will be equal to 5. In this case, tan A is equal to 4 by 3, which is greater than 1. If this line is 4 and this line is 4, in this case, tan A is 4 by 4, which is equal to 1. So value of tan K can be less than 1, it can be greater than 1, it can be equal to 1. That depends upon the length of these two sides of this triangle. So you can't say the value of tan A is always less than 1. It can be 1, it can be greater than 1, it can be less than 1. So this is a false statement. Now second question is, sec A is 12 by 5 for some value of angle A. Now this is a true statement. Sec A can take the value 12 by 5. Now again, I am taking this example. I am talking about this angle. So this is base, this is perpendicular, and this is hypotenuse. Now sec A is hypotenuse upon base. So this is the reciprocal of cos A. So this is equal to hypotenuse upon base. Hypotenuse here is 5 and base here is 3. Now hypotenuse is always the longest side when hypotenuse comes in the numerator. So highest number will come in the numerator. So this will always be greater than 1. So value of sec A is greater than 1. Since here it is given 12 by 5, which is greater than 1. So this is a true statement since its value is given greater than 1. Now the third question is, cos A is the abbreviation used for the cosecant of angle A. No, this is not true. This is false statement. Cos A is the abbreviation used for the cosine of angle A. Cos A is the abbreviation used for the cosine of angle A. Now the fourth part is, cot A is the product of cot and A. No, again false statement. No, cot A is not the product of cot and A. Cot A is used as an abbreviation for the cotangent of the angle A. So cot is not the product of cot and A. It is used as an abbreviation for the cotangent of angle A. Cot separated from A has no meaning. Now its fifth part is, sine theta is equal to 4 by 3 for some angle theta. This is a false statement. The reason is, now this is right angle triangle, this is right angle at B, and this angle A is theta. Now sine theta is 4 by 3. It means perpendicular by hypotenuse is equal to 4 by 3. Perpendicular here is BC and hypotenuse here is AC. This is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse. This is equal to 4 by 3. It means ratio between BC and AC is 4:3. So BC is equal to 4K and AC is equal to 3K. Now BC is 4K and AC is 3K. So what we have seen here, we know in a right angle triangle, hypotenuse is the longest side. But here hypotenuse is 3K and perpendicular is 4K. Hypotenuse is smaller than perpendicular, and that is not true. So this is a false statement. So here AC, which is hypotenuse, length of AC, which is hypotenuse, is less than length of BC, which is perpendicular, which is not true. In a right angle triangle, hypotenuse is the longest side. So this is a false statement. Moreover, I have already told in my first video, value of sine theta is always less than 1. And when longest side comes in the denominator, it means value of sine theta is always less than 1. So directly you can say, since here sine theta is 4/3, which is greater than 1 and which is not true. So false statement. So directly you can write it like this.